Hey there, RV enthusiasts. Welcome back to Everything RVs and More. Today, we're diving into the world of creative RV kitchen transformations. If you're tired of the same old setup and craving a fresh look for your mobile kitchen, you're in for a total treat. In this video, we'll be focusing on beefing up those mundane RV table legs and crafting a new tabletop. But that's not all. We're talking taking the old RV tabletop and turning it into a dual-purpose addition. A small end table for the couch area and a nifty sink cover. Let the DIY adventure begin. Now, let's talk about giving your RV table legs a serious upgrade. Often the stock legs that come with your RV table can be a bit lackluster. We're here to change that. Consider replacing those basic legs with sturdier, more stylish alternatives. You can find a variety of materials at your local home hardware store, from sleek metal to rustic wood. We chose 4x4 posts with some deck brackets, just to give it a good sturdiness. Pro tip, measure twice, cut once. Ensuring the right height is crucial for your comfort during meals or while working at the table. Plus, it adds a touch of personalization to your RV interior. Now, let's tackle the centerpiece, the tabletop. Creating a new tabletop doesn't have to be a daunting task. Head to your local lumberyard and pick out a material that suits your style. In this scenario, we chose a 24-inch by 42-inch pine shelving and put some clear resin on it. Consider adding it a, stain if you choose to. It's a fantastic way to tie in your RV's aesthetic. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, how about customizing the tabletop with a map of your favorite travel destinations? It's both functional and sentimental. Now, don't toss out the old RV tabletop just yet. We've got plans for repurposing it into a dual function addition. Firstly, let's turn it into a sleek end table for the couch area. With a bit of sanding, staining, or painting, you can seamlessly integrate it to your living space, as you can see what we did through the picture. But wait, our second part of this is turning it into a sink cover. This not only adds counter space to your RV's kitchen, but it also provides a convenient surface for meal prep when the sink is not in use. And there you have it, a creative RV kitchen transformation that breathes new life into your mobile home on wheels. Beefed up table legs, a DIY tabletop, and repurposed old parts. The perfect recipe for a personalized and functional kitchen space. Remember, RV life is all about making your space uniquely yours. So grab your tools, get creative, and let's make your RV kitchen the envy of the campground. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more RV tips, tricks, and transformations. Until next time, happy trails.